I don't know if this is gonna work. So my cousin DM'd me this morning asking me about the blood drop at the viewing point of the Hollywood sign. I've never heard of this. So I looked it up on Google Maps, and on the corner of Canyon Lake Drive and what is it? Mulholland Highway. I guess this is where they merge. There's this little drop. The trail goes back to somebody's house, so this could be an art installation if the property owner owns this, which I wouldn't be surprised because there's tons of money up there. But I found this interesting too, this little biodome. Anyways, is this a blood drop? I don't know. I'd have to be down there to see it, but here's the Hollywood sign. Back out of it. Come down here. It's up here. It's shiny, so it doesn't look like a natural object. Got some Instagrammers there. Put you back up, and it's a dead end, and here it is. Is that a blood drop? Dum dum dum. You know, all the little conspiracy theories about Hollywood and, you know, all that blood drinking stuff. Are these guys vampires? I don't know. I'd have to take a drive up there and climb up to see what this thing is. Wonder if anybody has done that, but this looks pretty steep. I don't know if there's a way up there, but that would be an interesting video. Find out what this thing is. Is that a blood drop? Let me know.